The active emergency braking system uses data from the camera on the windscreen and the radar sensor in the front bumper to determine the distance between you and the vehicle in front, whether it is moving or stationary, as well as cyclists and pedestrians ahead, and warns you if there is a risk of collision. It also alerts you to the risk of a head-on collision with an oncoming vehicle if you begin to change direction, or in the event of impact with a vehicle crossing your lane at right angles. When the system detects a risk of collision with the road user ahead of you, the message "Obstacle detected" appears on the instrument panel, accompanied by an audible signal. You must then take evasive action or apply the brakes. If you brake and the system detects that there is still a risk of collision, it will increase the braking force. If you fail to brake or take evasive action despite the audible and visual warnings, this indicator light and the message "Brake" appear on the instrument panel. Emergency braking is triggered and the vehicle brakes, to a complete halt if need be. If the danger is imminent, the audible warning and emergency braking may occur simultaneously. After any braking activation by the system, the message "Advanced Safety Engaged" will be displayed. In the case of a complete halt, the system ceases to apply the brakes. If necessary, you must depress the brake pedal to keep the vehicle stationary. The active emergency braking system detects moving vehicles ahead of you in the same lane, as soon as your speed reaches around 5 miles per hour. Conversely, stationary vehicles, pedestrian and cyclists traveling in the same lane, are detected when you are driving at between 5 and 49 miles per hour. When you're at a crossroads, the system detects oncoming road users when you are driving at between 5 and 12 miles per hour with the direction indicator on. Finally, vehicles crossing at right angles to your lane are detected when your speed is between 12 and 37 miles per hour. To ensure your safety, the emergency braking system is automatically switched on when the vehicle is started. If you want to turn the system off, go to the Vehicle section in the Open Our Link Center screen and select Driving Aids. Select On or Off. This yellow indicator light appears on the instrument panel when the system is switched off. You can adjust the alert sensitivity level for greater driving comfort. Select Anticipation Alarm and choose one of 3 sensitivity options: Late, Standard, and Early. In certain conditions, for example heavy rain or poor visibility, the system may be temporarily impaired. If that happens, this indicator light appears on the instrument panel. If this indicator light also comes on, the function has detected a fault. Contact a Renault representative to resolve the problem. The active emergency braking system feature is an additional driving aid. It cannot be a substitute for your vigilance as a driver.